You will learn how to enable grammar and spelling check on Microsoft Edge browser. I'll also walk you through on how to disable these features in easy steps. First, launch a Microsoft Edge browser. Once the browser opens, click on the three dots here, then select the settings option. On this settings page, check for languages and click on it. So here, this first step shows you some languages, your preferred languages. If you want to delete any, just delete from here. On this page, scroll down until you get to this writing assistance section. One of the options here is use grammar and spell check assistance. All right. Here it is turned on and that's why it's showing green. So it allows the browser to check your spelling whenever you're searching for something on it. Or whenever you're typing something, if it's not correct, it will suggest the correct one for you. But sometimes there are some local words that this browser does not have, which may make you to, pass through stress whenever you are searching for something or doing something on the browser. So if you want to disable that, please click on this button for it to be grayed out, to be in this color. Once it is in this color, this grammar check is turned off. All right, so whenever you are searching something, feel free to do whatever thing you want to do and it will not check your grammar. The only thing is that when it gives you some search results, it may tell you that that particular thing is not correct. But if it's anywhere on the web, it will be marked as correct or it will show you the result. Okay, so but maybe tomorrow you feel like I want to get back to the grammar check. All right, the grammar and spell check assistant. Please click on this so that whenever you're typing something to suggest the better grammar or the right grammar to you. Okay. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, all right? You can scan this QR code here to check out any of my books on information technology. They are well detailed books, okay, with illustrations, and you're going to learn a lot from them. See you some other time.